Congratulations, you have successfully logged on to Mr. Arnold's CLU3M Grade 11 Law Class Google Classroom page. Before we start, it is important to establish some expectations as far as Google Classroom goes. Watch this video and complete the following quiz that is attached to this assignment, and you must obtain a 100% score, or 11 out of 11, on the quiz to pass on to your next assignment. Excellent. So where we will start today is something called the Classes page. The way you access the Classes page is to go to the top left-hand side of the screen, click on the hamburger, and click Classes. So what you will see on the Classes page are a number of items. First is the to-do item. Second is the calendar with assignments and due dates. And thirdly are what are called cards that list all of the different courses that you have on Google Classroom. To access our course, simply click on the title. The first place that you are taken is the classroom stream. You can identify 3 specific tabs from the classroom stream that you are going to use to navigate Google Classroom. That is the Stream tab, the Classwork tab, and the People tab. Recent posts appear at the top of the classroom stream. If you would like to access your assignments, you are going to click on Classwork. This is where you can view your work that's due, including assignments, materials, and other information. To discover work, the first place on Classwork that you can click is View Your Work. When you go to view your work, you can see that there are 4 categories on the left-hand side. First, all, then assigned, then returned, which also includes marked or graded assignments, and finally, missing, for any assignments that you need to catch up on. Next, you can also access any work from the hamburger in the top left-hand corner by clicking on To Do. And you can see on To Do, there's only one class that shows up here. Under To Do, we see Assigned, Missing, and Done. Under the Done tab, this is also where you will be able to see graded work and an overall grade for the course. To return to the classroom at any point, you can click on the hamburger, go down to where it says Enrolled, and simply click on the course code. This will bring you back to the classroom stream. Now let's take a look at an assignment. I'm going to click on Classwork, and then I am going to look for the assignment under the topics. Now this is one way to be able to navigate through your Classwork page. Another way is to use the Find function in Google Chrome. Simply click Control and the letter F. A search bar appears in the top right-hand corner, and you can search using keywords. I know that I belong to the Babylonian group, so I am going to look for the Babylonians. You can see that as I type the word in, I have 1 criteria for search. It's highlighted at the bottom of my page. I can also find this by clicking on the topic Jamboard Groups, which will open the assignment for me. Once I am in the assignment, I'm going to click to open, and I'm going to see if there is any work attached under your work in the top right-hand corner. Excellent. If I want to return to the classroom stream at any time, I can go up to the hamburger and click on that and choose the course, or I can simply click on the title of the course in the top left-hand side of the screen. When I am done my work, if there is no work attached, I simply click Mark as Done to let the teacher know that I have completed this activity. If there is work added or created, I am going to click Turn In. Your instructor will mark your assignments when they have been successfully turned in or marked as done. So now I'm going to return to the classroom stream. And that is the end of our video showing you how to better utilize Google Classroom. When you're done the video, you can re-watch, and you can also look at Google Classroom resources for help. If you click on the tab that says See Your Work for a Class, it will open up another tab entitled Classroom Help. You can use the Control F search on this Classroom Help page to complete your quiz on Google Classroom. Thanks so much for listening. Good luck on the quiz. And remember, you can take the quiz multiple times, which means that you can have an older copy of the quiz open where you have incorrect answers that shows you what the correct answers are, and that will help you be successful the next time you take the quiz. If you have any questions, please let me know.